All right. Here we got Marcangelo the third. If he picks the God pack, then he won't get sold. What was that one? That's the God pack? Alright, I think he chose. Alright. Got the pack he chose. Time to open it. What, like this, Leah? Show it there. We got Paradox Rift. Alright, yep. If this is the God pack, or we get a big hit, Marcangelo the third will not get sold today. Garbite. Oh, snap. Oh, it's behind the... Oh my god, please. Oh, Marcangelo the third is getting sold. Alright, guys. Say goodbye to him. He did not choose the right pack, so he's going away to Transylvania.